Alright, here we are. So what you want to do here is get you some tools. We're going to be doing a tutorial on how to basically change the RAM on your MacBook Pro. So what you want to do is flip your MacBook Pro over, go get a towel, put it over the surface. That way you don't scratch up the surface or your MacBook Pro. Have a seat. And these are the tools we're going to be using. We're going to be using some mini screwdrivers for your baby hands and the baby screws or baby bolts. Alright. Speed it up a little bit because it's going to take forever to take out these bolts. And you want to make sure you take the bolts out and put them on something in the same place that you took them out, so you can put them back in the same way so you don't get the bolts mixed up. So you take off the lid, and this is what the inside of your MacBook Pro looks like. You want to loosen those two clips on the side of your RAM stick so you can take it out nice and easy. These are the ones I'm going to be replacing it with. Some that I just bought at a local computer store here in Okinawa, Japan. So I've taken the old sticks out of the MacBook Pro, and this is where I'm going to be sticking it back in. Just got to move those clips out the way because it's a really tight fit. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to put the card in. You want to make sure that you put the bottom one in first, because if not, you're not going to be able to get two in there. You're going to put the top one in and that's it. So they're both in there now. This is what it looks like when they're both inside of the MacBook Pro. And that's what you want to do is you're basically done. You just got to put your top, well, not the top, but the cover back over. And make sure you put it on the right way, because I don't like I'm putting it on the right way right here. This out the way. Still not sure if I'm putting it on the right way. I think I got it this time. Alright, nice fit. So just put your screws back in the order that you basically took them out. If not, you're not going to have your cover on correctly, and it's probably going to fall off or something, like you're doing work or something like that, or damage your cover. Not too much of a big deal, because you won't hurt your computer that too much. It'll still work, especially if you have a cover on. I usually have like a cover on top of my MacBook Pro. So once you got everything put back in place, you want to make sure that the computer is reading the memory sticks correctly. So you want to go to your Apple and your About This Mac. Locate your memory. Make sure that both slots have the 8 GB memory sticks in them. And you're all done. That's it. So if you can kindly follow my social media, I'll be doing more stuff like this and tutorials like this in the future. Thanks.